Good morning, students. Today we are going to do chapter 2, kinds of sentences. As you know, children, in standard 4th you must have done kinds of sentences. Again we are revising. There are 4 main types of sentences. First is declarative sentence, or we can say statement. These are the sentences that state something, that declare something. They tell us something, like a baby is sleeping. This is a statement, and you have to keep in your mind this declarative sentence ends with full stop. Now second is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence asks something. It asks something about somebody or something, like, do you take tea? I am asking you whether you take tea or not, or what are you doing? So you will see these interrogative sentences, either they start with helping verbs like do, does, is, am, are, was, were, has, have, or so many other helping verbs. Will, shall, can, could, some modal verbs these are, though they start with these, or it may start with WH words like who, what, when, where, which, whoever, whom, whomsoever. So many WH words are there, like how many, how much. These all are WH words. So these can start with the helping verb or WH words. And children, you have to keep in your mind these sentences end with this question mark. If you see a question mark at the end of a sentence, you should understand that this is an interrogative sentence. Now third one is imperative sentence. This sentence either gives you order or advice, or you can request, you can propose, and these sentences start, you take into your account that these imperative sentences start with first form of the verb. Means V1, please, kindly, let, don't. These 5 things you have to keep in your mind. These imperative sentences, either they start with first form of the verb, please, or kindly, or let, or don't. I am giving you the example. As your teachers give you, your parents give you always order or advice, like your teacher says Sit down. Don't make a noise. Yeah, it will come in don't make a noise. Do your work. Do your work. You see, these are starting with first form of the sentence. Please, it can be please help me. Your mama can say, your teacher may say, your friend can say. Next is kindly. Kindly help that old lady. Let, if you propose somebody else, like let us sit out in the sun. So children, you see, if, please, kindly, let, us, don't, if they come, even then, after these, first form of the verb always come. So you have to keep in your mind, if the sentence is starting with first form of the verb, please, kindly, let, don't, and they are followed by first form of the verb, this is imperative sentence, and it also completes with full stop. It ends with full stop. Now the last one is exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory. Children, sometimes what you do, if you are happy, all of a sudden you know that today, tomorrow will be a holiday. All of a sudden you see, you are sitting in your room and all of a sudden you see a snake on your bed. So what will be the feeling of your mind? Seeing the snake, you will get afraid and you will cry. Or if you all of a sudden you see a fairy in your room, so you will keep watching it and you will say, oh wow, what a beautiful fairy. Or any child is coming in a beautiful dress, so you will say now, oh, you are looking like a queen. So seeing that child, you are getting happy. So these are the sudden feeling of your mind. If you see an accident on the road, what will you say? Hurrah! I have seen the accident. No. What you will say? Oh, what happened? Alas, this boy is dead. So these are your feelings of your mind. When you are happy, happy feeling will come. If you are sad, sad feeling will come. Different types of feelings can come of your mind. So these sentences express the sudden feeling of your mind. Sudden feeling of your mind. And you can say, if your friend has told you कि you failed and you are expecting कि I will stand first in the class, and your friend says you have failed in the class, then what will be the feeling? And after some time, if she says, oh, you are first, you have got the first position in district, then what will you say? What fun it is. What fun it is. In this you see, this verb comes at the end and sign of exclamation. Or you can say, what a. Sometimes the sentence starts with what a. What a beautiful girl. Sign of exclamation. We can say, how nice you are. How nice you are. Sign of exclamation. Are you won't be saying. This is exclamatory sentence, So R will come at the end. Or we can say how much water everywhere is. Sometimes a flood has come and everywhere the water is there, you can express your sudden feeling of your mind. Or sometimes you can have these exclamatory words like hurrah, sign of exclamation. We have won the match. We have won the match. Alas, she has died. Now children, you must have understood, and now you have to practice these sentences, do the exercises, and I will be sending you the PDF in the afternoon. Thank you all.